What up, gents? It's your boy Scott Barnes with another video. Hope you're having a great and fantastic Monday. And in today's video, I got an honest review for you guys from Honest Ape Beard Co. That's right. Now, Honest Ape contacted me through Instagram, and after checking out their Instagram, their website, and their content that they have there, Honest Ape actually has a really cool round game of a company. Now, not only do they have different locations of where they sell their products, but they also have a great variety on their website itself. Having your traditional beard balm and beard oil, they also go out and having a scent of the month. And on top of that, they've got a great apparel line. And on top of that, they have their box sets and bundles for you guys that want the whole shebang. And my favorite part is they have these one-off scents for you guys that want something that's just kind of off-brand, and also they have a clearance. So I highly recommend going out and checking out their website. Very fun, very intuitive, and like I said, they've got a great initiative of what they want to do to sell products and what kind of beard company they want to be. And that being said, make sure to go check out their social media, that being Instagram and YouTube. They're posting up vlogs with new updates of their products. And if you guys can, they also gave me a promo code for you guys, Barnes15. So that way, as we look at their products, you can go over there into their website, type in that promo code, and save you guys self 15%. So without further ado, let's get opening. All right, I got me a big heavy box right here. And let's see what's inside, all right? I always like the cards. They just, for some reason, it makes it more personal, right? All right, Honest Ape Beard Co., thank you for your order. Scott, thank you for taking the time to review our product, and we hope you enjoy. Cheers, Honest Ape. I love it, you guys. It always makes it personal, okay? So it looks like we've got, oh my gosh, geez Louise. So we've got a Honest Ape Co-Wash Dutch. So we've got a nice big 12-ounce bottle with an unscented organic ingredients. We're gonna apply it to our beard with a small amount. So we'll definitely dive in to see what this is all about. Okay, looks like we definitely got a lot of stuff in here. All right, we got a balm, it looks like. We're gonna put them all up here. We got another balm. My God, how much did you guys put in here? Another balm. Sherlock, all right. Looks like we've got a theme going on here. Okay, we got an oil, Miles. All right, my goodness gracious. We've got another beard oil. We've got Prohibition. What else do we got in here? All right, let me go put this down real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we're back, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I've had this many products sent to me in one. So, Honest Ape, I appreciate this, man. So, we've got 5 beard balms. All right, so we've got a Miles, we've got a Prohibition, we've got a Cluster. I'm gonna do these all. All right, I think we have an unscented generic, I wanna say. And then the last one we've got is gonna be a Sherlock. Did we do that one already? But yeah, we got Sherlock. Did we do Sherlock already? Now, the first thing I love about these is the labeling. I love how each of them have a different logo of the ape, all right? Some of them got more, depending on what kind of logo it is, it kind of matches the theme of the name. So we got Cluster here. Let's open up the balm. Very smooth, if you will. Oh, look how it emulsifies very fast. I really like that a lot. Ooh, that's very nice. So when you get a beard balm that's not very gritty and smooth, that's a very big plus. And look how it just melts right on the skin. It's on the skin. But man, that feels really good. Smells great. Man, it applies really good as well. We just kind of went right into it, didn't we? We just went right into it. We didn't care. And that's a very nice smell. Very subtle, not too strong. Maybe got a little bit of a fragrance to it. Maybe kind of a sweetness, if you will. Now, after doing the first balm, it's sitting really nice in my beard. It's not heavy, it's not light. It's actually just perfect. So there's not really much weight in my beard, but at the same time, I still can feel and smell the fragrance coming from the balm. So let's check out the rest of the fragrances, and then we'll move on to the oils. Next one we're gonna do is the Sherlock. All right, let's open this guy up. Same thing with the balm, looks really nice. Okay, that's a lot more of a baby cologne fragrance, if you will. But definitely this one's gonna be more of your sunflower, maybe your garden smell, if you will. Very more of a scented smell. And that's a great smell. I like that where they're going with it. It's the Sherlock. It's got a more cologne smell, more of a sophisticated, type of I'm going out in the suit and tie. So the Sherlock Holmes is a good one. I'm gonna keep that one on the top list. Let's see what else we got here. Now this one is pretty clever. This is the War of 1812. I actually had to look it up. I wasn't seeing anything on the label, but these letters of WO 1812, so the War of 1812. Now let's see what it smells like. This is definitely very subtle, very mild, not too intense, but definitely put some work into this one. But I definitely like how it brings out that outdoor smell. This is very nice. The War of 1812. I like this one. Next one we got is Prohibition. For some reason, I'm thinking this is gonna be like a bay rum or something of a smell. Okay, that one threw me off. My goodness. I'm trying to think. Just something very refreshing is what is Prohibition smelling like. Well, if the Prohibition is ending and that's what you're wanting is a refreshing smell. So far, I'm actually thinking Prohibition is my favorite so far. I just like that refreshing zest smell, if that's a good example. Very uplifting. So Prohibition's probably my top one so far. We got one more to go. Okay, so we finished up with 5 beard balms, all right? And then we've got 5 beard oils and 2 more co-beard washes. So we're definitely in for a treat. All right, this one's gonna be Miles. Now I'm getting like a talcum or a baby powder off of this balm. And that could be right because after you get your haircut, usually you get that dusting off from your neck and your beard with the talcum powder so you don't itch. And once again, that's a very nice uplifting smell. It's not heavy. It's not that you're going out gonna be like this Jurassic, everybody's smelling you, but this is a nice refreshing smell. So like I said earlier, guys, if you want, my favorite right now is probably gonna be the Prohibition. Type in that promo code Barnes15 on your checkout and save yourself 15%. Let's move on to the beard oils. All right, now I'm gonna hold this up in a cool glory, but this is our 5 scented beard oils, just as we had at the Balms, but I wanted to hold them up just to show you guys how many we got here, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up actually the Custer. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna review that, maybe a couple other ones, and then we'll save some for the giveaways. So let's open them up and see what they're all about. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the Custer, we're gonna see what the oil is like, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I said cluster in the first part of the video, but it is Custer. And we're gonna check out the thickness, we're gonna check out what kind of consistency the beard oil is, and then we also have the Prohibition we're gonna open up. And like I said earlier, we're gonna save the other ones for some giveaways, okay? So we've got this guy opened up. Let's get some good amount. And let's see for you guys what kind of consistency we're looking at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get us a good amount. I always like to do about a half full. A lot of guys like to go more. I like to do just about a half. All right, let's go ahead and see where we're at. It's not too thick. All right, let's see where we're at. It runs down the hand. No, it's a thinner oil, so it's not too thick. The oil is applying very well. It's sitting in the beard, not very heavy. And I like the fragrance that's coming off the beard. It's very light, it's uplifting. So we got a good oil. It's not too thick like I said earlier. Now let's move on to the Prohibition. And to go back to the Custer, we're definitely getting light smells. And if that, we're probably getting more of a scent through the oils, less the balms. And once again, I really like that Prohibition. It's very light. We've got kind of a new smell. Definitely the same smell that we got from the Prohibition. For some reason, I'm getting like some oak or some wood, maybe off of that barrel, if you will. But the consistency is very well on the oil itself. It's not heavy, but it's just right there. Now, on price, these are going for about $15 on the bottle. I think the Balms are going there as well. So my range is between $10 and $20. If oil falls in that range, we're right there. Anything over about $20, $24, we're starting to get into the premium oils that, you know, maybe some people want to spend the money, but I think between that $10 to $20, a $15 bottle of oil is perfect. Especially if you put in that 15%, we're probably going to be knocking this down to $11 to $12. And so right now we're going to switch over to the co-wash and see what those textures are feeling like and what it's going to do to our beards. All right, the last two that we've got on the review is going to be the co-wash. Now we've got a Sherlock and then we have the Dutch. Now I think we've dove into the Sherlock. Let's open her up and see what the co-washes feel like. First off, we've got to recognize that this is a big, huge 12-ounce bottle. So this is a very nice thing to have that will last almost about a month to 2 months. Now I've got the Sherlock, we've opened up the beard balm, and if I'm not mistaken, the oil as well. Let's see what it's smelling like. Oh yeah, we've got that consistent smell. It's a very nice potpourri, flowery, uplifting smell. Let's check out the consistency of the co-wash. There you go. It smells very nice. We'll rub it in. Oh, it's got a great coating. We're gonna throw it in the beard anyway, just because we can. That smells very nice. And I can already tell that it's washing up my beard, it's coating it. So if we just add a little bit of water, we would be good to go. Now for me, I don't care. I'll put in anything in my beard that's nice and hydrating. So in the end, if I gotta go, I can always put in a little bit of water. My beard's perfect. The next one we're gonna try out is the Dutch. Now I didn't see any of the Dutch on the oil or the balm. I might be mistaken, but this is one I haven't smelled before. And on top of that, you guys, these bottles are going for 20 bucks a pop, which isn't too bad. It might be a little on the higher range, but I think for the amount that you get and for the amount that you're gonna use, like I said, this is gonna last you for at least 2 months to possibly 6, depending on how long and how often you use it. So let's go ahead and give this guy a try. Well, I'm not getting too much of a smell, but if anything, it's very creamy. Very light, very autumn, spring maybe. Just very subtle would be the word. And it's a very light smell. I'm not getting too big or strong of a fragrance. So if you're wanting something light, definitely stick with the Dutch. If you're wanting something a little more of a fragrance, go with the Sherlock. But for the amount that you get, I mean, it's unprecedented that you get this much for that amount. So I really want to recommend the co-wash, because a lot of beardsmen, like I say, will wash their beards maybe once every other day, and to have this amount with that 15% off, you should be having a good quality co-wash that should last you a long time. And the one last thing I thought was cool is they threw in a nice push pump for the dispenser of the beard co-wash. So if you're not liking the dispensary that way, you can always put the push pump in this way, all right? So all in all, let's do a recap of what we all got. I can throw you guys some information about them and we'll close it out. It gives me an honor and pleasure to review Honest Ape Beard Co. I'm a little late on the game. My boy Dan C's reviewed them. My other boy No BS Reviews with Matt. I'm just a little late on the game, like I said, and just from what they've said, what I've heard, what I've seen, their website, their products, it was just a great thing to review such fun things like their balm, their co-wash, their oils, their prices that they have online. Go use that promo code BARNS15, save yourself 15%. And like I said, you guys, what an honor and privilege it was to check these guys out. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Go check out that link in the description below for Honest Ape Beard Co. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!